In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video in Behance Portfolio. If you want your work to feel alive, adding video to your Behance project is a great move. There are two clean ways to do it. You can upload a video file directly to your project, or you can embed a video that's hosted elsewhere, like YouTube or Vimeo. I'll walk you through both so you can choose what fits your workflow. Start by heading to Behance and opening the project you want to edit. Once you're in the editor, look for the option to add a new element to your layout. From the element options, choose Video. This lets you upload a file from your computer straight into the project. Pick your video file and give it a moment to process. While it uploads, a couple of quick tips. Use a web-friendly format like MP4. Keep the file size reasonable so it loads quickly for viewers, and consider trimming any unnecessary intro or outro to keep it focused. After the upload completes, you'll see the video block appear in your project. You can drag it to the right spot, adjust the layout around it, and make sure it aligns with your images and text. If you prefer to host your video elsewhere, or you already have it on a platform, there's another method. In the editor, add an embed element to your page. This creates a placeholder where you can paste code from a video service. It's especially handy if you want analytics from your hosting platform, or if you plan to update the video later without re-uploading. Next, go to your video on YouTube, Vimeo, or another supported source and copy the embed code. On most platforms, you'll find this in the share options under embed. You can often customize things like player controls or size before copying. Back in the Behance editor, paste that embed code into the embed element you added a moment ago. Make sure the code is complete and uses a secure link. Finally, click on Embed. Your video should appear instantly in the project preview area. Give it a quick play to confirm the audio, aspect ratio, and quality look right. If it feels too large or small, adjust the block's width, or move it within the layout to maintain a clean visual flow. For context, consider placing a short description nearby so viewers understand what they're watching and how it connects to the rest of your work. That's it. Whether you upload directly or embed from another platform, your Behance project now showcases your video clearly and professionally.